Okay, so welcome to the garden tour. Right now we're in the beginning of April 2020, and we've all been very busy for the past while due to us all being out of work with the lockdowns here in Ireland, along with the long string of dry weather we've had for the past 2 weeks. Unfortunately, at the beginning of March, our 3 beautiful ducks were taken by the fox overnight. We had as usual let them into the Polytunnel over the winter, where they did a great job of fertilising, keeping it wet and eating up all the slugs. But now that they're gone, we've turned their pen into a new vegetable plot for spuds and onions. This took a lot of work to dig, as it had never been done before, and the pile of roots and grass sods can speak for itself. In the polytunnel we have tomatoes, sunflowers, sweet corn and leeks in pots, along with radishes, pak choi, spring onion and beetroot to be sowed successionally every 2 weeks in raised beds, as well as some garlic, baby sweet corn and cabbage, which will be propagated here and then transplanted outside. The polytunnel perennials, which include strawberries, grapes, oregano and yarrow, are also starting to make moves, and the mustard green manure cover crop is starting to take over the vacant beds as it does every year. On the indoor propagation table in the kitchen we have butternut squash that will soon go out to the polytunnel, and sweet peppers and chili peppers which will be going into pots. There's also a ton of aloe vera and an avocado tree which we planted last summer, and it's been doing very well here in the kitchen window, as well as outside on warm days to strengthen its stem in the wind. Moving outside, we have replaced some lawn with 3 new beds close to the house, and what will soon incorporate a pond, and we are hoping it will attract some frogs to keep on top of the slugs. This will be beside the insect hotel and surrounded by wildflowers under the birch trees. Then out in the field we have brought in the big guns and entered the industrial age this year after managing to acquire a tiller and a drill plough to go on the old Massey 135. There have been a few complications along the way, but this old beauty has done a great job and the whole family has been conscripted to planting spuds and putting up a fence to keep out the hens. Along with the 5 drills of spuds, we'll be putting in carrots, parsnips, turnips, cabbage and peas to grow along the chicken wire. Stan and Ollie think it's all very entertaining and are enjoying watching it all unfold. So let us know in the comments if you have any questions or anything you would like to see more of, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification button if you want to stay updated. See you next time.